Okay, so it has been 2 weeks since my surgery, and I know completely 100% this was the best thing I could have done for myself. I feel really good. I don't have hardly any incision pain at all. I'm even lifting my kids, and my son is almost 27 pounds, and my daughter she's got to be close to 40 pounds, and it's been fine. That's 2 weeks post op. So feel really good. I was able to start pureed foods today. I did cheat a little bit and start a couple days early, just experimenting here and there, and it's been going fine. But the funny thing is that whereas I know my limit, what I can take in when it comes to soups and liquids and things like that. So I just kind of figured that if I had, for example, I had pureed egg salad, and it had a couple chunks in it of egg, and I'm doing just fine with it. But anyway, um, so if I have like a cup, or I mean a quarter cup of like a tomato soup, and then I have a quarter cup of egg salad, I thought that I should be able to consume that same amount because I was able to consume a quarter cup of the soup. I know that probably sounds stupid, but anyway, big mistake. So I've thrown up a couple times, and I know that that is something that you'll do. If you'll overeat, you will throw it back up. But it's not like that. I have the flu. I'm going to throw up. This is awful. You feel that it's a little bit stuck. It's too full, and you want to, and you go, and you're able to. Such a gross conversation. I'm sorry, but you're able to throw it up, and it feels so much better. So you kind of learn your limit, and you're adjusting with it. And I'm still learning because I just had to throw up again last night because whereas I thought that I could have a certain amount, obviously it was too much. So um, potato stuff will do that, like mashed potatoes, because it's really hard for me to figure out how much is not enough and that kind of thing. Um, so something that I really like for breakfast is if you go to the yogurt aisles in the grocery stores, you can find ours are made by Stonyfield. I'm sure that it's a pretty much national brand name, but some differences I'm sure happen some places. Anyway, they're like these twist off yogurts. They're for babies. They're made of whole milk, and they're a perfect amount. They're just under 4 ounces, and I like to have them if I'm on the go. And so, like this morning, it was crazy in my house. I was able just to grab that and know that at least I have breakfast. Um, but that's yeah. So anyway, I'm kind of losing my train. I'm trying to talk fast so my daughter doesn't come and interrupt us. But anyway, things are going amazing. I am now at 223. And so since the day before surgery, I'd gone up a little bit in weight and whatever. I am 16 pounds down, and that was a little over 2 weeks ago. So it's pretty exciting stuff, and I will check back with you in a week and let you know how things are going. So, and here's my daughter. Come on in. Anyway, yeah, I'll check back in.